Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, January 3rd, 2020. And showing up to the screens this morning, I am seeing a sizable, unexpected down gap on some news. So at the time of this recording, we're trading around 32.27, which is well below yesterday's low. And yesterday was a strong up day. In fact, at an all-time high on the close. About 24 points of range in yesterday's session. So I'm just going to do some quick research here. I don't know exactly what we're going to end up seeing, but this is unexpected. So I'm just going to dig in here for just a couple minutes, look at a couple different opening scenarios, and I will share what I find. So the first thing I want to do here is just look at long off the open when opening below the prior day low. So I'm going to come into opening filters, hit equals next to open below prior day low, and then I'm going to add a price pattern to it. And I think I'm going to go with, let's do this close and top 25% of daily range. So if you look at the range from yesterday, put it in the quartiles, it finished in the top 25% of it. And this morning, it looks like there's a decent chance, at least as of the time of this recording, that we may be opening below the low. So this is going long at the open of regular trading hours. If opening below, what was yesterday's low? I got yesterday's low at 35.50. So we're still 7 points below that at the time of the recording. And looking at that, about 61% of those historically have closed above the open. It's been fairly bullish here in the recent years. Pretty decent bias there, was flat for a while. Okay, let's do a variation of this. Actually, let's put this into a bull market. So I'm going to add an indicator. I'm going to just do the 10-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average. We're going to run that again. That looks quite a bit more bullish on the equity curve. The win rate up just a little bit. We did lose a few samples by doing that, but that bias has been somewhat bullish as well. Okay, and let me look at another opening filter because we've got something rare here. We have a gap, at least as of the time of this recording, that is more than 100% of yesterday's range. So I'm going to define that here. I'm going to go down to the opening area. We've already got open below prior day low created. And we closed in the top 25% of yesterday's range. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exclude open between prior day low and prior day low minus 25% of prior day range. And what this is going to do is this is going to mean that the gap has to be at least 100% of yesterday's range. That's pretty rare, so I'm not sure how many samples we'll get here when I run it. Looks like we get 25 samples, and they've been pretty bullish historically. That's when the 10-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average. So just some quick research here, guys. I'm going to dig into this some more off screen, but figured I would get this out and share it with you today. Kind of interesting. So hope you liked it. We'll do this again sometime soon, so come back and we'll see you then.